I've spoken a lot about a customer intent, but how can you identify intent? Well, when you look to optimize any one of your marketing emails, including your welcome series, what shows more intent than an email click? Think about all the things a click can tell you about their interest and intent. Did they click on the men's or women's product link? Maybe they clicked on a kid's link, or maybe they clicked on the swimsuits link. This type of user behavior is the modern day preference center. You can use this information to determine the next messages the subscriber will receive. For instance, if they clicked on men's shoes in the welcome message, make message 2 about top rated or customer favorites men's shoes, complete with star ratings and testimonials. For swimsuit clickers, follow the same strategy. Creating a series based on click activity will provide them with a more relevant and guided customer journey. And setting up this automation is as easy as creating a couple of very simple segments or workflow split rules inside of your automated workflow. Again, this can take as little as 5 minutes in the right marketing platform. Using a click-based strategy could give your series a look like this. A user visits your website and is presented with an email sign-up pop-up. They sign up and immediately receive a welcome email, which promotes your value adds and features customer favorites. 1 day later, most subscribers receive an email promoting top-rated products from the brand's primary categories. However, the subscribers that click on the men's shoes link in the welcome message would receive a more tailored email featuring men's shoes recommendations and sizing guides. The next day, general subscribers receive a final message reminding them of their welcome discount, as well as call-outs to their value adds, such as their 100% satisfaction guarantee and highlights customer testimonials. The men's shoes clickers, however, receive a similar message, but the testimonials are tailored to specific men's shoes. Different consumers, different actions, yet similar but more customized messages. Creating a welcome series that caters to their primary customers is how companies like Toac Chocolate see their welcome series revenue per email outperform scheduled email campaigns by nearly 3,500%. Or Jiggy Puzzles, which generates 64% of their email revenue from their 3-part welcome series. If you don't think you have the time or resources to create an effective sales increasing welcome series, think again. Focus on creating one message at a time and optimizing as you go along. So do you think you can create an effective welcome series in little time? I do. Your homework for this week is to create a single welcome message, just one. If you already have a welcome message sending, look at your message and find ways to optimize it with value adds, user-generated content, or other items that cater to the customer's intent. And be sure to check out the resources in this section for a helpful welcome series worksheet, complete with examples that will guide you along to creating your welcome series.